Welcome to the Ranjeet Kumar Show. Press the bell icon for more amazing videos. Today we dive into the world of diversity, equity, inclusion and belonging that will change your life. Imagine an environment where diverse perspectives are not only welcomed but celebrated. This is the power of diversity. It's about acknowledging and respecting our differences, whether they're based on race, gender, age, or any other factor. Equity, on the other hand, is about ensuring fair opportunities for all, regardless of their background or circumstances. It's about leveling the playing field. Inclusion is the act of making everyone feel valued and included. It's about creating a sense of belonging. Belonging is the feeling of being accepted and comfortable in a particular group or environment. It's about feeling at home. Embracing these elements can create a positive impact on both our personal and professional lives. It fosters innovation, drives growth, and promotes a sense of unity. Understanding the importance of these elements is the first step towards a more inclusive life. Diversity is not just about race or gender, it's about acknowledging and respecting our differences. Diversity is like a vast, colorful tapestry, woven with threads of different ages, cultures, abilities, religions, and so much more. Each thread is unique in its own respect, yet when woven together, they create a beautiful, harmonious picture that tells a story of unity and diversity. Picture diversity as the various elements that make up our world. Age, for instance, brings a blend of fresh perspectives from the young and wisdom from the seasoned veterans. Cultural diversity enlightens us with rich traditions, unique customs, and fascinating ways of life from around the globe. It's like a live, ongoing global festival, right in our workplaces or communities. Then there's diversity in abilities. Differently abled individuals teach us resilience, determination, and the power of adaptation. They remind us that every person has unique strengths, and when harnessed, can contribute significantly to our collective success. Religious diversity, too, plays its part. It instills tolerance, understanding, and respect for the spiritual beliefs of others, fostering a culture of acceptance and mutual respect. When we embrace diversity, we open the door to a world of creativity and innovation. Diverse teams often outperform homogeneous ones. Why? Because they bring together a variety of perspectives, experiences, and ideas that lead to better decision-making. They challenge the status quo, encourage out-of-the-box thinking, and drive innovation. And it's not just about the workplace. Diversity enriches our personal lives too, broadening our horizons, challenging our biases, and helping us grow as individuals. However, it's crucial to remember that embracing diversity isn't about ticking off a checklist or meeting a quota. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels valued, heard, and respected. It's about acknowledging our differences, celebrating them, and leveraging them for collective growth and success. Diversity is not about ticking boxes. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels valued. Equity is about fairness. Inclusion is about involvement. Let's dive into these two concepts and their profound impact on workplaces. Imagine a fence. On one side, three people of different heights are trying to watch a baseball game. Equality would mean giving each person a box of the same height to stand on, but this still leaves the shortest person unable to see. Equity, on the other hand, is about giving each person a box that brings them to the same eye level, allowing everyone to enjoy the game. It's about fairness, providing what each individual needs to have equal access to opportunities and resources. Now, let's talk about inclusion. It is the act of welcoming and involving everyone, regardless of their background. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels valued and heard, where their unique perspectives and ideas are not just tolerated, but celebrated. Inclusion fosters a sense of belonging, a feeling that you are part of a team, part of a community. Together, equity and inclusion can be powerful catalysts for change. They can boost employee engagement, productivity, and overall job satisfaction. When employees feel that they are treated fairly and that their voices matter, they are more likely to be motivated and productive. They are more likely to contribute their best work, to innovate, and to stay with the organization in the long run.
Moreover, equity and inclusion can also enhance a company's reputation, making it an employer of choice for top talents from diverse backgrounds. A diverse and inclusive workforce can lead to better decision-making, more creativity and innovation, and a broader range of skills and experiences. In conclusion, equity is not about treating everyone the same, but about giving everyone what they need to succeed. Inclusion is not just about having a diverse workforce, but about making everyone feel that they belong. Together they create a workplace that is not only diverse but also equitable and inclusive. Equity and inclusion are about creating a level playing field where everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed.
Belonging is about feeling safe and accepted for who you are. It's about embracing your individuality and uniqueness, while simultaneously feeling part of something larger than yourself. It's the emotional bridge that connects diversity and inclusion, transforming a collection of diverse individuals into a cohesive and vibrant community. Now, let's delve into the essence of belonging. Imagine a workplace where you can show up as your authentic self, where your ideas are valued and your contributions recognized. This is the power of belonging. When individuals feel they belong, they are more engaged, more productive, and more likely to stay with the organization. Belonging is not just about feeling good, it's about mental health too. In a world where mental health issues are on the rise, fostering a sense of belonging can be a powerful antidote. When people feel seen, heard, and valued, they are less likely to experience feelings of isolation, anxiety, and depression. Belonging also plays a critical role in job satisfaction. When employees feel they belong, they are more likely to feel satisfied with their jobs. They are more motivated, more committed, and more likely to go the extra mile. It's a win-win situation. Happy employees lead to happy customers, which in turn leads to a thriving business. Creating a sense of belonging in a diverse environment is not just about creating a warm and fuzzy feeling. It's about recognizing and valuing the unique perspectives and experiences each person brings to the table. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels they have a voice and that their voice matters. Belonging doesn't happen overnight. It requires intention, effort, and sustained action. It requires leaders to not just talk the talk, but walk the walk, setting the tone for an inclusive and accepting culture. In a nutshell, belonging is the glue that holds diversity and inclusion together. It's the secret sauce that can turn a group of diverse individuals into a high-performing team. It's not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for any organization that wants to thrive in today's diverse and global world. A sense of belonging can turn a group of individuals into a powerful team. So let's make belonging a priority, not just in our workplaces, but in every aspect of our lives. Now that we understand DEI, how do we implement it in our lives? Let's dive into some practical tips and strategies that can assist you in embedding diversity, equity, and inclusion into your everyday life. The first step is to foster empathy. Empathy is the ability to truly understand and share the feelings of another. It's more than just being aware of someone else's experiences. It's about feeling those experiences and responding with compassion. Imagine walking a mile in someone else's shoes. It can be as simple as listening to someone's story without judgment, or as profound as standing up against discrimination when you see it. Remember, empathy is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. The second strategy is promoting open-mindedness. Open-mindedness is about being receptive to new ideas and perspectives. It's about breaking free from our own biases and preconceived notions and being willing to embrace diversity in all its forms. It's about learning from others, appreciating our differences, and finding common ground. Ask yourself, am I open to viewpoints that differ from my own? If the answer is no, it's time to question why and how you can change that. Challenge your beliefs, engage in respectful debates, and learn from different perspectives. Lastly, respect plays a pivotal role in promoting DEI. Respect is about valuing others for their unique qualities, perspectives, and experiences. It's about treating others with dignity, regardless of their race, religion, gender, age, sexual orientation, or any other characteristic. To implement respect, start by removing any derogatory or disrespectful language from your vocabulary. Then, move beyond mere tolerance to true acceptance and appreciation of differences. Don't forget, implementing DEI is not a one-time act. It's a constant journey of learning and growing. Each step you take towards fostering empathy, promoting open-mindedness, and upholding respect brings you closer to making DEI a part of your life. Implementing DEI is not a one-time act. It's a constant journey of learning and growing. So how does DEI change your life? Well, imagine a world where everyone's unique perspectives are valued, where we all have equal opportunities, and where we feel a sense of belonging. That's the power of diversity, equity, inclusion, and belonging. On a personal level, embracing DEI can help you grow by expanding your understanding and appreciation of different cultures, backgrounds, and experiences. It can drive you to challenge your preconceptions and biases, fostering a more open and empathetic mindset. In relationships, DEI encourages mutual respect and understanding, deepening connections and enhancing communication. It's about celebrating our differences and finding strength in our diversity. In your career, DEI can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. It's a sought-after skill in the modern workplace, indicative of a person's ability to foster an inclusive environment where everyone can thrive. DEI is not just a concept, it's a way of life that can transform your world. Thank you for watching The Ranjeet Kumar Show.